Hi everyone, welcome to CA Studies. I am Shazin, your lecturer for Business Environment and Economics. First, before we start this lecturing or studies, we have to understand what is this subject. Many students understanding is this subject is economic subject. Actually, this is not an exactly economic subject. This contains economics and the business environment. Right? First of all, before we start the studies, before we start the lecturing, we have to understand the contents of study pack. Which contents of this study pack should be given priority? Right? Sometime in the study packs, 10 pages chapters, 10 pages chapter may be giving the 15 marks, 100 pages chapter may be giving the 5 marks. So we have to give the 10 pages chapter. So first I am going to do the analysis of the study pack. Right. Second thing, all of you understand what is the importance of the study pack. Right? No one is looking the study pack. Right? No one is looking the study pack. Every student or lecturer are depending on the notes other than the study pack. If I am giving the study pack and lecturing, you will feel that this lecturing giving the study pack easily by taking from the Chartered Institute, not giving the own notes. So this lecture is not quality. Actually, you are thinking a bit is totally wrong. Chartered Institute will conduct the exam. Exam will be based on the study pack. Out of the study pack, there are no question come. So, Chartered Institute examiner will read the study pack and take the notes from the study pack and prepare the question paper. Question paper fully based on the study pack. So, students have to aware on the study pack. Right? But thing is, our mindset is different. So if lecturers giving the study pack notes is just copying and giving. Actually, there's a correct way. Right? So let's look at how our study pack has been structured. Right? So this is BL4. Business Environment and Economics. Actually, this subject is the fourth subject in business level 1. That's why it's a BL4. Now I am going to do a syllabus analysis. Let's start. According to our syllabus, according to our study pack, there are 8 weightages. Right? Normally our study packs are divided based on the contents. Right? Under the contents there are chapters allocated. First content is, it means our student should have to have a knowledge about these contents. First, chartered students should have a knowledge about business and organizational environment. This gives 5 marks in your study pack, 5 marks in your exam paper. Right? Second one, nature and scope of business management. This is also 5 marks. Third, functions of management. This gives 20 marks. Fourth, functional areas of business. Once we done this syllabus analysis, you will feel free to start where I have to start your studies. From which chapter I have to start our studies. There is no rule you have to start the studies from first chapter. First chapters are boring. When you open a study pack and read in the first chapter, right? Sometimes you are not only studying students, you are part-time working also you are doing. So part-time job also you have. Some students having the training in the audit firm or non-audit firms. So when you read the first chapter, once you finish the first chapter, you are going to second chapter. Once you go to the second chapter, you will forget the first chapter. Problem is you are trying to buy out the subject. Actually, this is the syllabus. This is a theory subject. But even though theory subject, you do not need to buy art. I will guide you how you have to study, how you can keep the things in your memory, right? From these 4 weightages, which weightage is given priority? We should give the priority to this one, functional areas of business, 30 marks, right? But wait, there are other 4 contents, other 4 weightages. Let's look at that also, right? Fifth, role of economics in business. 5 marks. 6, price mechanism and competitive markets. 7, production cost, price and output decision. 10 marks. Just by arting and going for exam will not work, right? You are not full-time students. If you are full-time students, like A-level students, you can buy art anything and pass the exam. 8 is macroeconomic environment and business. This gives 15 marks. Based on weightages, we have to give priority on this. Now you can understand our study pack is structured based on the marks allocated, right? Based on the analysis of the weightages, this is given priority. But let's look at how many subjects are available under each weightages. Then sometime our decision may be changed. That's why we need the analysis. Let's finish the analysis and look at what subject is important, what chapter is important. Now we understood this weightage is important based on the weightage analysis, right? Let's look at chapter wise. So after chapter analysis, you will definitely change this. change this to different chapter. Right. First weightage is business and organizational environment. Under that weightage, there are 3 chapters. 1, 2, 3. First chapter is Introduction to Business Organization. First of all of you understand, when someone lecture or someone explain you anything, you have to listen carefully. Even though you know the things, right? Don't ignore. Don't be careless, right? Even though you know the things, right? Just forget what you learned previously and take this knowledge as the fresh knowledge. Then only you will get. Once you have a knowledge about one matter already, when I am explaining the same matter, right? You have the knowledge, I am explaining the same matter, so you will feel this knowledge I have already have, so I don't need to listen this person. So it is contradicts. Always remove your knowledge and what I am saying is the correct. Taking that way, then only you will get a good understanding. Introduction to Business Organization. This chapter starts page number 3. Page 3, right? The business environment. The business environment. This chapter starts page number 17. Now Introduction to Business Organization starts 3. It finished at 17. So only 14 pages. Only 14 pages subject. Next one is ethics and social responsibility. This is page number 69. From 17 to 69, how many pages? 52 pages. So second chapter is 52 pages. Ethics and social responsibility starts at page number 69. Under the nature, scope and business management, scope of business management, one chapter is there, business management. This is starts at page number 91. So third chapter, how many pages? 69 to 91, 22 pages. This is how we have to understand the pages, right? Deducting page number of next page from the current page number. So we will get a number of pages this subject is, right? Now fifth one, planning and control. Starts at page number 121. So how many pages this? 91 to 121, 30 pages, right? Now from these 4 chapters, which one is best? Which one we should learn first? We have to Obviously we have to go for fourth chapter, right? Fourth chapter, under the second weightage, that is nature and scope of business management, only one chapter is there, business management. Under the first weightage there are three chapters. Chapters, how many pages? 14 pages, 52 pages, 22 pages. How many pages? 66, 22, 88 pages. So here 88 pages of the study pack gives 5 marks. Here 30 pages of the study pack gives 5 marks. So this weightage is best. This weightage is better than this weightage. Right. Sixth chapter is organizational structure. Organizational structure starts from page number 149. So planning and control starts at 129, ends in 149. There are 28 pages. Leadership, motivation and communication starts in page number under 79. So this is 30 pages. Under 79 minus under 49, 30 pages. Right? This ends at 209. Right? 209 means there are 30 pages. Once I write the 8th chapter, I will write the page number. So it's end in page number 209. So 30 pages. Totally how many pages? 30, 30, 60, 88 pages. So 88 pages of study pack gives 20 marks. Right? Here 88 pages of study pack gives 5 marks. Which one is best here? This is best. Actually this is better than this. This is also better than this. We have to compare this and this now. So this is 30 pages. This is 88 pages. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 88 divided by 4 is how much? 88 divided by 4 is 22 pages. So within 22 pages we can get 5 marks. So this is better than this weightage, right? So 5, 20. So there are multiplication of 4. So 30 into 4 means 120 pages. So 88 divided by 4, 22 pages. Within 22 pages we can get the 5 marks. Actually this analysis should be done by the student alone, right? I have studied by analyze the study packs by these analysis. So I am normally planning the studies for at least for 4 months, right? 4 months I need to understand, because in a level sometimes students nowadays students are following only one subject or 2 subject in a level, right? But I am normally following all 4 subjects, all 5 subjects in the level and get through. So we have no time to study. If 1 month one subject, 4 months, 1 month study pack is bigger. Big study packs are given by Chartered Institute. To read that we need at least 2 to 3 months. Within a 1 month, if you study one study pack, right? For 4 subjects, 4 study packs, we need at least 4 months. Very lack of time to study. So we have to plan our study. We have to give the priority to the study packs content which giving the more marks in order to pass the exam. If you get the 50 marks, you are passed. So focus on that. Exam focus study. This is called exam focus study. So I am normally analyzing all the study packs with the past papers within 4 months. 5th month I am starting to study. 6 months is practicing the exam papers. Practicing the exam paper, not to by heart or not to remember the answer from that question. Practicing the question paper in order to predict my paper, right? Chartered Institute will not repeat any questions. So if any questions come in the previous papers, past papers, that never comes. So no need to focus on that question again, right? But don't take this is in wrong way, right? I am taking, don't focus on the exam the same question, but you have to ever understand of that matter. That is important. Once you become a chartered accountant, you cannot say I didn't study this, so I don't know, right? That's the reason Chartered Institute is included many theories and many contents in our study pack, in order our chartered accountants, future chartered accountants, should not tell we do not know, because this is not available in our study pack, right? Under the functional areas of business, there are 4 contents, 4 chapters. First one is operation management. Operation management. This starts page number 209. 9. Marketing management. Page number 241. Human resource management. Once I finish this, I will give a page number of pages. Human resource management. Page number 287. 11. Management information system. Management information system and project management. This starts page number 321. So how many pages for first chapter? Operation management, 209 to 241, 22 pages. 241 to 287, 46 pages. 287 to 321, 34 pages. So 321 to next chapter starts in 355. So 34 pages. Totally how many pages? 34, 78, 68. 68, 22, 90. 90, 46. 136 pages. Divide 136 by 4. 136 by 4. Sorry, this is 5, right? So 6. Divide 136 by 6. It is almost 23 pages. So 23 pages of the study pack gives the 5 marks, right? So we don't need this actually, right? We will go with the marks and the allocated chapters. Page number is important, but we don't need to compare the subject chapters through this pages, right? Page numbers. role of economics. Under the role of economics, there is only one chapter, like second weightage, chapter number 12. An introduction to business economics. Very easiest chapter. This is starts at page number 355. So number of pages 22 pages. Sorry, 18 pages. Third one, 13. Under the price mechanism and competitive markets, only one chapter, demand, supply and market equilibrium. Starts page number 373. Number of pages 62. 62 pages. 14. Production so this weightage is 18 pages. This weightage is 62 pages. Under the production cost, price and output decision, there are two chapters. First one is production. First one is cost theory. Cost theory and behavior. Starts at page number 435. Number of pages 24. 15. Profit maximization in competitive market. Page number 459. Number of pages 42. 32. So total number of pages for weightage number 7 is 24 plus 32, 56. 56 pages. Under the last weightage, only one chapter, that is the macroeconomic environment. Macroeconomic environment. Macroeconomic environment 491 page number 491. Number of pages there are almost 52 pages there. 52 pages there. I don't remember the last page number of this chapter. Actually this is analyzed based on the chapters. Under the chapters also we can take contents. For example, under the introduction to business organization, there are contents. First content is introduction to definition of the business. Second content is definition of the organization. Third content is advantages of the business organization. Advantages, disadvantages of the business organization. Then types of the organization, types of the business. So there are under there are also contents. So based on that also we can analyze, but we don't need to go in that deep because this is enough. From this, let's look at which chapters gives each, how many marks each chapter giving, right? First, let's take introduction to business organization, right? Introduction to business organization, the business environment, and ethics and social responsibility give the 5 marks. Your paper is MCQ paper. So 5 marks means 2 point, under this weightage only 2.5 questions can be asked. Only 2.5 questions, right? So 2.5 questions means from these 3 chapters, from 88 pages, maximum examiner will go for 3 questions, right? Let's take from year 1 question, right? That's a prediction, right? So business environment economic chapter will be the little bit difficult chapter here. Other than this macroeconomic will be difficult. These 2 chapters are little bit difficult, but not that much difficult, right? Other difficult other than other subject, right? If you compare all the subjects, this macroeconomic environment and the business environment will be little bit difficult, but we can give up this 52 pages of study pack. We don't need to waste reading the 52 pages of our study pack in order to get a 1 question. Sometimes if this question also will not come, right? So this each chapter gives 2 marks. This is 2 marks. So 2, 6 marks. So here 5 marks. So this is just a prediction. We have to predict in a worst case scenario, right? We have to go for extra beyond the limit. We will predict for 6 marks. Here nature, scope and business management. Here we can get at least 3 questions. 6 marks. This is very important. Marks allocated to each chapter is very important. Functions of management, 20 chapters. So each chapter is giving 7 marks. 7 marks means how many questions? 3.5 questions. Let's take as the 4. This take 3. 4 into 2, 8. First chapter 8 marks. Second chapter say 8 marks. Third chapter 6 marks. So 8 plus 8, 16. 3. So here 6. This is just a prediction in order to tally the marks. 4 plus 3 plus 3, 10 questions. 10 questions give 20 marks, right? 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. Functional areas of business. This is like this. This is an analysis by me, right? If you can analyze for more than this mark, you analyze. If you predict from this 5 questions will come, predict that, right? This is the least analysis. At least you have to do this. Operation management, marketing management, human resource management, management information system and the project management gives 30 marks. So each chapter gives 7.5 marks. Each chapter gives 7.5 marks. So from first 30 means divided by 30 into 2. From here 3 question, right? 3 question. From here 3 question. From here 10 question, right? If we take weightage wise, we can predict the weightage questions. 3 questions, 10 questions, here 15 question, right? 15 question we cannot divide into 4, right? So it should be 16, not divide by 4. Let's take this 4, this 4, this 4, this 3, right? So into 2, 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, 6 marks. Okay. Calculating the question and the marks in this way is very easy, I think. We will just go for the weightage and allocate it to each chapter. From here, 3 questions, 6 marks, right? Introduction to business organization also same, 3 questions, 6 marks. Price mechanism and competitive market, 5 questions, right? 5 questions. 5 questions give 10 marks. So 5 questions give 10 marks. Production cost, price, output decision, 10 marks. So 5 questions. Under the each chapter, let's take a 3 and 2. 3 and 2, 6 marks and 4 marks. Macroeconomic environment, so 15. So number of pages 52. Let's take a 52 pages. Number of question 8 question. So 8 question, 16 marks. Based on the marks allocation, which chapter is good chapter? Giving more questions, more marks. Here 1 question, 3 questions. This is best. This is better than these chapters, right? This chapter is better than these chapters. Now this is 4. So this chapter is better than these chapters. Now 4, 3. Here 3 questions, 5 questions. This is the good one, important one. 5 questions. From the price mechanism and competitive markets, very highest number of question will become 10 marks from the 5 question. Cost theory 3 question. Cost theory and behaviors 3 question. These are 2 questions. Macroeconomic environment and business and the business 8 question. This is the second priority. What is the third priority? Third priority is the 4 marks questions. Yeah, 4 marks. This also let's take as a 4, right? Here we can take only one chapter. Only one chapter is the 4 marks. Only one. We can select either of 3, right? Not this. Either of 3 is okay. Now based on the analysis, we know this is the good chapter to start, right? But I don't start from there. Based on this analysis only, I also lecture. I will start from second priority. This is the chapter I am going to start first. Because you know why? Macroeconomic environment and business, you cannot learn without understanding the interaction to business, demand supply market equilibrium, right? And the business environment. This is, right? This one and this. These 3 chapters are very important in order to understand the macroeconomic environment. You know why? Macroeconomic environment is one of the elements of the macro environment. Based on the environment, there are 2 types of environment. First is internal environment. Second one is external environment. Under the external environment, we will learn industry, means microeconomic environment, macroeconomic environment. Under the microeconomic environment, industry. This you will learn Porter's 5 forces. And industry analysis. Under the macroeconomic environment, pestle there. P for political, E for environment, S for social, T for technology, E for economical, C for pestle, L for legal. Yeah, economical. So under the macroeconomic, right, economic environment there, this is called macroeconomic environment, right? This is a macro environment, macro environment. Under the external environment, micro environment and macro environment. Under the macro environment, macroeconomic environment is one of the element of this. To understand the internal environment and external environment, we have to analyze the environment first. So I will give a chart for that. I will explain that. I will explain in a way that you easily understand, right? From that only we can go for this. After learning this only we can come for this. So this we will take later. First I am going to start from here. So I believe all of you understood what we have done today. Actually we have planned from where we can start our lectures, from where we can start our study pack, right? Start our studies in the study pack. All of you please understand, please don't look at anyone's notes. Even though if I give the own notes, don't look at that. Go for study pack. Go with the study pack. Your exam paper will be based on the study pack. Chartered Institute is issued the study pack, release the study pack. Chartered Institute will conduct the exams based on the study pack issued by the Chartered Institute, right? Not based on the lecturer's notes. If you go for lecturer's notes, right, you do not know what is there in our study pack. Please go to the study pack. Study pack is enough and attending my class is enough, because I will not miss anything from our study pack. So please listen carefully and start your studies. You can plan further. You can go for further contents of these each chapters, right? But actually I don't need to do that. If you please do. If you want, just show me, right? You can email me or you can WhatsApp me. This is my number. My email address is my phone number is anytime you can message me, you can WhatsApp me, I will reply. Okay, this is Shazeen Akim at live.com 07666 24212. Okay, all the best my dear friend and good luck.